Start. Good morning. Welcome to all in this joyous and healthy morning. I, Sanjeet Jha, greet to you all on my YouTube channel, Sanjeet Sir Classes. And today I am at Shiv Shakti Modern Public School. It is a red letter day for all of us because our school has organized its fifth science exhibition, as you can see there. So students have made a variety of models. They are very excited to represent their model. So let's go and talk with them. How did they make its model?
Myself Prachi. Good morning, sir. Myself Nandini. And we are the student of class 12. We made a model on novel written by William Shakespeare, Hamlet. Hamlet is a tragedy written by William Shakespeare. It is a short story which can be traced back to the 12th century Latin text about a dashing prince named Hamlet who seeks to avenge his father murderer by killing his uncle Claudius. It is not only one of the longest but also William Shakespeare. The start of the play, the King of Denmark has died, and his brother Claudius become the king and married to his mother Queen Gertrude. Prince Hamlet, who was already upset about his father's death and appealed about the marriage of his mother to Claudius. Love toward his father. Hamlet's love toward his father is shown by the griffin mood he was in, by the sudden death of his father, and the failed marriage of his mother Gertrude with his uncle Claudius. When Horatio, one of his closest friends, tells him that the ghost of his father's appeared in the castle, he decided to wash it himself. When he saw the ghost says that he demands revenge towards his brother Claudius, who killed him by pouring poison into his ear. Hamlet was shocked and vows to kill his uncle Claudius to seek revenge against his father. Betrayal of his friend. Under the guidance of Claudius, Hamlet's friend Rosencrantz and Guildenstern tried to discover the reason of Hamlet's foul mood. His friends were working against him as a spy for the Claudius. Later on, they escort Hamlet on a diplomatic mission to England at the request of Claudius, in which Claudius had gave them a letter for the English king to kill Hamlet on his arrival, but Hamlet discovered the letter and secretly replaced with a one asking his friend be killed instead of him. Step toward revenge. Hamlet decided to have a troupe of actors to perform a play based on the murder of his father, to see the reaction of Claudius and to be his luck. Claudius really seemed disturbed and frustrated after watching the play and even stormed out of the room. When Hamlet decided to tell his mother about Claudius' evil character, which he believes killed his father, he overheard Claudius confessing his sins in front of the god. Then he thought to kill him there. But then he thinks that if he will kill him here while praying, he will straightly go to the heaven. Planned to kill Hamlet. When Hamlet tried to convince his mother of Claudius' evil character, the Polonius was spying on them. At one point, Gertrude thought that Hamlet intends to kill her. She secretly hearing her screaming Polonius, also screamed thinking him as Claudius. Hamlet killed Polonius. Later, upset over his father's murder, threatened Claudius to seize throne from him with the help of an angry mob. Claudius assured that Hamlet is responsible and gave the idea of challenging him for a sword fighting. They planned to line Letters sword with the poison. Even a small wound would kill Hamlet, and added precautions prepared a cup of poison to give to Hamlet during the fight. Revenge, or you can also say the end of this story is, after coming back from England, Hamlet discovered the intentions of letters toward him, who was challenging him for a duel fight in a sword. Horatio, his friend, was worried for him, but Hamlet assured him that he has been practicing all over the year, so he will be fine. At first, Hamlet was doing so well that his mother Gertrude toasted a poisonous the cup for him which had the poison and drank it even before the Claudius stopped her. Seeing that their plan will discover in front of her all so soon, Cletus stabbed Hamlet with a poisonous sword. Hamlet stabbed Cletus with a poisonous sword as well, and while dying, Cletus revealed all the plan of his and Claudius to Hamlet. In anger, Hamlet killed Claudius with the poisonous sword. But they all died, as Hamlet and Cletus died while fighting with each other. Hamlet killed the Claudius and Gertrude, her mother, drank the poisonous cup. Then the king of Norway, who was going from there to Denmark to the poor land, decided to seize the throne there, seeing the opportunities that there is no one. Thank you.
How long have you been making this model?
So we have been making this model from past 3 weeks as it requires so much patience and hard work for us.
So who inspired you to make this model?
Our English teacher inspired us to make this model.
So which material have you used to make this model?
So as you can see, we have used so many materials. Like for the base, we have used black sheet, cardboard, thermocos. For the castle, we have used the cardboards. For the portrait there, we have used molding wires to make the base, then tissues for the cover body, and for the clothes we have used foam clays. We have also used modeling clays for the small characters we have made there, and we also use so many sheets to write all over the story of us. Thank you.
Thank you. It is a nice talk with you, Prach.
Thank